Alrighty, so I've got a toilet seat and cover that actually broke. These pieces actually broke. Don't ask me how. And I wasn't sure if I could find the proper replacement parts. This is actually a Bemis toilet seat and cover. And I found something on Amazon that I'll put a link in the description, but I just tore it up and opened it up. Sorry. But I found something on Amazon that I think might work, and like I said, I'll link to the description. Because some people said that it might actually fit the Bemis. So I took one piece off, one of these hinge pieces, and I just put up one of the pieces that I think goes where it's supposed to go. I've never done this before, and it looks like it matches up. Actually, I'm gonna go right here. There you go. Actually, looks like it matches up. So I'm going to kind of just take some pictures and through the process just to show you, and then show you the finished work. Obviously these are the old pieces. These are all the broken old pieces. This is a new piece. This is a new piece. And here are the rest of the new pieces and the rest of the new screws that come with it. So let's see how it goes. So the parts fit pretty well. I'm using the same screws, the new screws, and I cleaned up the toilet seat cover a little bit. Putting on the new parts, everything fits perfectly. The plastic is a little different than the original plastic, but that doesn't surprise me. And then the toilet seat itself, taking off the old parts, the new parts fit perfectly as well. I didn't tighten everything 100%. I just wanted to make sure everything fit before I tightened everything 100%. And you'll be able to see right there where the new middle piece fits in there. There you see the new middle piece. Even with that middle piece in there, there's still a little bit of a gap. You can see that right there. But I'm okay with that. Everything fits, and I can tighten everything up, and everything moves freely, and I'm okay with that little gap that you'll be able to see there. There it is again on the left. And then installing it on the actual toilet, very easy. Took off the old bolts, put in the new bolts, and everything screwed really well underneath the toilet as well. Those are the new plastic nuts. So everything screwed really well underneath. You see it there. And the little tabs cover the bolts, and off you go. New hinges without having to buy new toilet seat.